Hello traders. Today I want to share the golden rule for day trading. These are golden because these are most effective and most important rule for day trading. So the first rule is always work as per your own trading strategy. You should have your own trading strategy. You cannot believe on the tip provider, on news channel, and you cannot take trade on behalf of them. This is your hard earned money and you have to do hard work. You have to understand the process. If you do not know, if you do not have your trading strategy, then go first, learn how to make the trading strategy, because learning is most important in any profession. You can achieve, you can meet your target when you do hard work, when you learn the process, when you understand the process. And if you do work on behalf of the other person, tip provider or new channel, then you cannot get success in the market. It's my real experience. So do hard work, understand process, and then only you should make your own strategy, or then only you can get the success in the market. It's very important. The second one is do back testing before entering in the real trading. You understand the trading strategy, and then you have to do back testing before entering in the real market, because this is your hard earned money. You cannot waste your hard earned money for R&D process. So do back testing. Just assume that you are having 20 trading strategy, do back testing, and then you find that the only 15 day trading strategy is effective on back testing process. Then remove these 5 trading strategy from your plan. Now you are having only 15-day trading strategy, and you have to work with only these 15-day trading strategy only. The third point is take 20 trade with one strategy and identify the common mistake. Now you are having your own 15-day trading strategy. Now you have to take 20 trade from each strategy with a small quantity, and try to find out the common mistakes whatever you are doing on these 20 trade. Write down these trade, write down entry price, write down exit price, and write down, if you lose then write down the region. And through this process you have to take 20 trade from each strategy, and you have to find out the common mistakes on these 20 trade. And the next point is you have to remove this common mistake from your trading plan. When you do this process, then you eliminate your 50% losing trade, and you can define your trading strategy, and you can get the maximum or logical profit from your trading strategy. So remove all these mistakes, and then you should do work as per your trading strategy only. And the next point is you should know your logical stop loss before entering any trade. Before entering any trade, you should know your losses, and you should check with your risk capacity. Is it okay as per your risk capacity? So before entering any trade, you should know your stop loss. And after taking any trade, at the same time, you have to put your stop loss, not mental stop loss. You have to put the real stop loss on the trading plan. So try to think like a professional trader, that every time your loss should be minimum on a logical point and your profit should be maximum on a logical point. And the next point is stay aside your emotions. It's very important because this fear and greed are monster or a big enemy of you. They affect badly your trading decisions. Keep aside fear, keep aside greed, be a machine, take the right trade as per your trading strategy at the stop loss, wait for the exit opportunity where you can book the profit. So try to remove fear and greed from your trading strategy, from your trading plan. Otherwise they will destroy your all the savings. They will destroy your all the trading decisions. And the next one is risk reward ratio should be perfect. Always your loss should be minimum, your profit should be maximum. This is why we are in the stock market. We are in the stock market to make the money, not we are in the stock market to do R&D. So we have to focus on our trading strategy only. Our loss should be minimum on a logical point and our profit should be maximum on a logical point. And the next one is wait for the opportunity. Don't search the trade. You should always wait for the opportunity. Sit on the chair with a calm position, just like a monk. Wait for the opportunity. Don't take the wrong trade. You have to take the trade as per your hard work, as per your trading strategy, as per your trading plan. Don't do R&D in the market. Don't search the trade in the market. Wait for your opportunity. And when the opportunity come at the same time, you have to take the trade, and the same time you have to add the stop loss, and you have to wait for the exit opportunity where you can book the profit. So always check price movement, check price action at every moment. Then only you can take the right decision, and then only you can apply your trading strategy on the plan. Don't try to become a crorepati on a single trade. It's the totally shadow of noise trader. They generally want to become a crorepati or lakpati on a single trade. You will do not do this type of process. You have to take your trade as per your trading strategy, as per your risk reward ratio. Always your loss should be minimum on a logical point. Your profit should be maximum as per your trading strategy. And you have to take the right trade as per opportunity only. And then on this trade, your profit can be big or it can be small. But you have to take the trade as per your trading strategy only. We are here in the market to make the money, a consistent money. We are not here in the market to take a single trade and become crorepati and then we exit from the market for the whole life. We are not here. We are a professional trader and we are in the market to make consistent money. So try to understand the power of consistency and then only you can get the success in this process. It's my personal experience. That's why I'm saying that don't do this mistake. And the last one is take high probability trade and make consistent profit. Don't take low probability or normal probability trade. Wait for your opportunity and take the high probability trade only, where the possibility of profit should be maximum and possibility of losses should be minimum and the probability should be high as to meet your profit. If we take the example of world topmost successful trader, they are doing the same things. If you have an issue, then you can read the book Market Wizards and then you can find the wonderful process or the wonderful things about the professional trader. They are doing the same things. They are taking high probability trade. They have their own trading strategy. They are doing trade as per their own trading strategy. They are not try to become a crorepati on a single trade. They are believe in the consistent profit. It can be small or it can be big. So you have to apply these things on your trading plan. Then only you can get the success in trading profession. So always try to understand the thing, try to do hard work because there is no substitute of hard work. You have to do the hard work, then only you can get the success, then only you can make the consistent profit. Be a disciplined person, be a disciplined trader. These rules are looking basic rules but most effective rule. If you apply these rules, then only you can get the success in this profession. It's very important. So I hope you understand something new and you will take the learning from this golden rule. You can improve your way of working in the stock market. And if you adopt this process, these things in your trading profession, then you can get the success in the market. Because it's not my discovery, it's total structure, or it's the path of the professional trader what I learn after reading a lot of books, after seeing a lot of video, after making a lot of contents, logical contents from these books and these videos. I'm saying behalf of my knowledge, you should understand the process, you should learn the process, you should do the hard work, and then you should do the professional trading, not noise trading. Don't do gambling in the stock market, do professional trading. So that's it, and that's the things I want to share with you. If you want to learn then 16-day trading plan, then you can join my webinar which is happening every Saturday and Sunday. In this webinar, I share each and everything on a structured way, my trading strategy, risk reward ratio, risk management, trade management, trading psychology, how the professional trader work in the market, how we can make the consistent profit from the market. There are a lot of things in on this webinar. And if you want to join, if you want to be a professional trader, then you can join, and we will discuss and we will understand each and everything on a detailed way. So thank you guys. If you want to learn more, then you can subscribe my channel and you can join my webinar. It's your choice. So best of luck for your trading journey and best of luck for your trading life.